Screw an intro, we just gonna jump straight into this. And yes, I'm using a spoon as a microphone. I'm gonna give you guys 5 tips on how to get more views on TikTok Live. First tip, look professional. If you don't have a streamer key already, get you a streamer key. Right now, there's only 2 ways that I know of that you can get a streamer key. One's from DMing this brand right here, and another way to get a streamer code is just waiting for TikTok to give you one. The second way to get more views on your TikTok Live is make your stream more appealing. Add an animated video or something. A lot of people on TikTok Live just have this plain stream just like millions of other people. Add something that would catch somebody's eye when they're scrolling on the For You page. My third tip is to be talkative. Talk to your chat. Try to read every single comment that comes through. I hate when I join people's lives and they're not speaking to the people that are commenting. How do you expect someone to stay there and watch whatever you're doing on live for a long period of time if you're not communicating with them? The fourth way to get more views on your live streams on TikTok is making a promotion video before you go live. And I'm not talking about an ad. I'm talking about explaining what you're going to be doing on live prior to going live. And you post this video right before you go live, it should bring a lot more people from the For You page to your live stream. And I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have seen this in the gaming niche, where a streamer talks about they added a new feature on their live stream. They're doing a certain challenge to bring you into their stream. Shout out to everybody that made it through the whole video. And finally, I'm gonna give you guys my 5th and final tip to get more views on TikTok Live. And this tip will guarantee bring more viewers and traction not only to your live streams but also to your profile, and that's to use searchable words. A lot of people don't know TikTok is going in the direction of being a search platform. You need to start using searchable terms in your comments, your descriptions on your videos, and the titles of your live streams. Here's a couple searchable terms right here. As a bonus tip too, try using hashtags in your TikTok Live. If you guys enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to the channel and also leaving a like on the video. It would really help the video out. If you know somebody that needs some help getting some more viewers on TikTok Lives, consider sending them this video as well.